Hello loyalties, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I decorated my Christmas tree, and I'm also going to share with you how I DIYed my own Christmas tree skirt using these microfiber cloths here from the Dollar Tree. So this is going to be a voiceover video because the footage was all over the place and I filmed it in over a period of different days. So I just did my best, you guys, so just work with me please. So I have about 6 of these microfiber cloths here that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is just arrange them to make a big old square. So I'm going to lay them out on the floor and I'm going to do like 3 rows of each. And you're going to see me do that here. And once I find out which way I want, what side I want, because some of the cloths had fuzzier sides than the other. They're kind of like a mixed match thing. And this was just a challenge for me. It was a DIY challenge for myself to see if I could create a Dollar Tree Christmas tree skirt. But I didn't use all Dollar Tree items, so therefore I can't really call it a Dollar Tree Christmas tree skirt. But it is a Christmas tree skirt using these Dollar Tree microfiber cloths, which are super soft. And so this is the way that I decided to do my pattern. And what I'm going to do is now cut off the seams of these towels so that they can mesh together better. And this is going to be a no-sew method, meaning we will not be using a sewing machine or any needle or thread. So here I'm just cutting off these edges. I'm going to get rid of those. And then once I get them all cut off, I'm going to use some hot glue. Yes, you guys, hot glue to glue these all together. And now that I have them all glued together, all I did was glue all the sides together. I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to make out cut out a small little semicircle right there on the fold. And that's going to serve as my opening to go around the Christmas tree. And then I'm taking the corners and I'm just rounding them off. So all you do is just round off your corners with a little curve and then go only on one side of that. You want to split it all the way up to the top. Just one side, not both sides, okay? And this ribbon here is from Michael's Craft Store. I'm going to trim this skirt in this ribbon. And that's what you see me do. I'm just pinning it in place. Don't mind the mess on the floor, you guys. Oh my gosh, y'all. Trying to get creative with this skirt I'm not gonna lie, it was a challenge for me because I wasn't really seeing my vision, and it took a lot for me to pull it together for it to look like similar to what I wanted it to look. I would be honest, it doesn't look 100% like I wanted it to, and that's only because I had to patch the towels together so it gives you a patchwork look, which I do like. You know, it's kind of like a quilted look. And so these are the Totally Dazzled Snowflake gems that I'm going to add down on this Snowflake Christmas tree skirt. And this is their bling as well, all from Totally Dazzled. It gives off a wonderful shimmer and shine. And I'm also going to use some little rhinestones. I'm going to leave a link to Totally Dazzled, an affiliate link down below in my description box. So if you decide you want to go over there and buy some of this wonderful bling and these snowflakes, then you can check it out. Just go through that link right there. Now let's decorate the Christmas tree, and I will show you guys the tree skirt later. So my tree is up, and now I'm going to use this Christmas tree snow. This is what I'm going to use to flock my tree. I did want a white Christmas tree. However, my coins was not set up for me to really be getting one, and I figured I could do this tree just one more year before I get my flocked tree. So for those of you who are wanting that look but on a tight budget, this is another way that you can get the look, okay? Now, it's not exactly like those beautiful flock trees that you do see in the stores, but honey, it does work and it does still give you some dimension to your tree, and I love the way it looks. So you just take the little spray can. One can did my entire tree, did one side of my entire tree, so I think that you would need at least 2 cans. Now, if you notice, you will see me just decorate the front side of my tree and the sides only because, as you see, the back of my tree is backed up to the corner of a wall. There's no point in me wasting ornaments and lights back there, so you won't see me put anything in the very back, only on the sides and in the front facing parts. So now I'm just applying, as you see, my lights. Very simple. And I'm just tucking them in. Be sure, you guys, that you test out your lights before you apply them to your tree, because honey, you don't want to get them all on the tree and then do like me and find out that a section does not work properly. So my very bottom portion didn't work that well, so all I did was add a very short link around the tree to take care of that. So now I'm happy. I got my tree flocked, I got it up, I got my lights on. Now let's decorate. So you're gonna see me use this again, totally dazzled ribbon. You guys, it is so versatile. You can use it for so many things, honey. I am about to dress my tree up and bedazzle it in this totally dazzled beautiful bling ribbon. Okay, I'm going to add this ribbon here, which is from Michael's Craft Store. I'm going to make bows out of them. So I'm going to show you real quick how I created a few bows to adorn my tree by hand. Very simple. Anybody can do this, you guys. I just want to share with you that you can save your money by doing a lot of the things at home if you have the time. Now I understand everybody does not have the patience or the time to do these DIYs and things, but for those of you who do and don't mind and enjoy it, here's a little inspiration for you. So just continue to watch me decorate this tree, you guys, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to play some Christmas music for you guys if I'm not already playing it. And you guys let me know what you think about the Christmas tree skirt and the Christmas tree in the end of the video. And do be mindful, you guys, that this is not my entire setup. Like the way that you see our tree at the bottom is not going to be how it's going to stay. I just like threw some things at the bottom on the tree skirt for video purposes. Okay, all right, you guys, I see you really soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I have inspired you. If I have, then please give me a thumbs up and share this video if you care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye-bye now.